Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can turn a simple idea into a polished, professional LinkedIn post in just seconds with AI. Today, we'll show you how to create high-impact LinkedIn content from just a prompt. Let's dive into it. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. You'll see 3 options to start. Generate with AI. Start from a simple prompt. Paste in text. Convert plain text into a post. Import file or URL. Transform existing documents into engaging carousels. For this tutorial, let's use the Generate with AI option. Just describe your idea and click on Generate Outline. Drafting your post. Gamma automatically organizes your post into clear, scannable sections, perfect for LinkedIn's carousel format. You can choose the aspect ratio. Square, ideal for feed carousels. Portrait, optimized for mobile-first viewing. Stories, for vertical sharing or repurposing on other platforms. Want to add visuals? You can upload your own images, use web sources, or generate illustrations with AI to complement your message. Advanced mode. For more control, enable advanced mode. In the prompt editor, you can choose freeform to let AI structure your content from start to finish, or card by card to manually distribute your post, one idea at a time. You can also define your audience, the tone, and language. Other format preferences tailored to each platform. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your post stand out with a single click. Choose from a range of professionally designed themes built to shine on LinkedIn. If you want to stay on brand, you can create a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you're happy with the design, click Generate and bring your post to life. Editing with AI. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can add or edit text, adjust card layouts, insert more visuals. Need to tweak something fast? Click Edit with AI and describe what you want to change. Rewrite copy, switch tone, expand content, or ask Gamma to improve the visuals. Think it, make it, truly that simple. Sharing, exporting, and publishing. When your LinkedIn post is ready, choose how to share it. Present it to your team directly from Gamma with interactive features, or share with others via a link. You can also export as PDF for internal use or emailing, PowerPoint or Google Slides, PNG images for uploading to any social media platform like Instagram or TikTok, or publish directly to LinkedIn without leaving Gamma. You can even select specific slides to export, keeping only what you want to share. Creating impactful LinkedIn content with Gamma is fast, flexible, and fun. From idea to post, Gamma helps you craft professional carousels in minutes. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. And don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and content creation tips.